Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration today using our brand new stamps. So we're going to have a play with this one, which is Lumus, our new fairy. We've got our new Bumble Bees. This one's called Hum. And we're going to be using some Pan Pastels and one of our grey round cards, which I think looks really nice, with a little bit of the Pan Pastel there in the background to make that black stand out, being the focal point, which is Lumus. So, just taking a sponge, one of our smoothies. First of all, I'm just going to create just a little circle there. And this is just to spotlight our fairy. We're going to use the VersaFine Claire. Again, she's quite a detailed fairy, so make sure that you've got all the areas completely covered. And then we're just going to angle her slightly, making sure that her palm is straight. That's how I designed her, but you can do whatever you like. I just find that this position works well with the bee. Let that ink soak into the card. And there we go. So let's take our bee now and ink him up. And then I'm going to position him just above the palm of her hand. Like so. Okay. And now we can start thinking about where we're going to place the flowers now. So that makes it easier once you've stamped those first. Then we know where to position the flowers. Let's just ink up our lovely lilies. So this time I'm going to use the Versamark because I'm going to use the Pan Pastels. So cover that stamp, and then I'm going to pop that down. Make sure that we leave room around the bee so we're not going over the top. Give that a good press, and then we'll just repeat that a couple of times around the bottom of the card. And I'll just do one more here. There we go. So next up I have the two metallic Pan Pastels. I find that they adhere to the Versamark really well. So I'm going to do the very tops first, and then I'm going to bring in the copper after. So I think the two-tone is quite nice. So bring in that lovely copper now. And just blend those two colours together. Now, I'm really hoping that you can see that on camera, but that's really, really lovely. It's got, you've got all that lovely detail brought out, giving you a lovely sort of coppery finish there. Next thing is go around the edge of the card in the graphite, using our medium-sized stencil brush. Now we will probably shift some of that pattern now because we're going over the top, but that's okay because we're going to be stamping over the top again anyway. We really want to get some depth down the bottom of the card here. Just building it gradually. That's great. And now we're going to go back to the lilies, and this time we're going to ink up in the Versamark. This is the black, and then I'm going to pop that now over the top on the edge there, working my way around the edge. Like so. I'm going to do one more there that side. But I think that looks really effective. It gives it a really nice depth. Yeah. So we've got our Bumble Bee, so I'm going to use a little bit of Posca. I've got yellow here, and I've got a glittery orange, and I've got a nice fine paintbrush here. I'm just going to mix those two colours together, and we're just going to add a little bit of colour. So there we go. Okay, so next up I am going to put some little orbs in and around these lovely lilies, and because we've got a nice dark area, it really does show these orbs off. Put a few dots on and things to sort of join together, especially if you feel like something's a little bit disjointed. And now the white Posca, a few little dots, and I'm going to go right through to the other side. And we've got a Just a Bee worded stamp there. I'm going to put that in a different place to the one before because the layout is just slightly different. So I'm going to pop that just at the top. I've got the Wink of Stella. You know, it's important, these sort of finishing touches really, as the Wink of Stella will give us that lovely shimmer over the wings. You don't have to colour the whole thing in, I'm just going to do that edge, and the same with the bee. And then we've got our stickles. Let's pop a little bit of that over the top as well. So we all love a little bit of glitter. Just a bit of a sparkle. And that's it. And that was quite a quick, easy card to achieve. And I think it's really effective. So I hope it's inspired you guys to have a go yourselves, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the new stamps. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.